Welcome back to Nigerian News and Entertainment, a number one channel for entertainment news, gist, and celebrity gossip happening around. For first-time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when the story drops. Adekunle Gold's spouse, Simi, calls him out for lying about this. Nigerian singer, songwriter, and actress Simisola Ogunleye, better known as Simi, has jokingly called out her husband, Adekunle Gold, for lying about watching a TV show, dailylakers.com. The 31-year-old took to Twitter early Sunday to respond to her husband's tweet about watching the show. Adekunle Gold, whose real name is Adekunle Kosoko, had tweeted about watching a particular TV show when Simi hilariously came for him, tweeting, "This nigga pressed phone through half of it, slept through the other half of it. Why do people lie?" Adekunle Gold simply replied, SMH. This is not the first time the couple, who wedded in a secret ceremony in 2019, have come for each other on social media. When Adekunle Gold tried to stop Simi from criticizing local meals, gbegiri and semo back in January, she promptly shut him down, saying, "I have your type at home." Guys, drop your comments in the section below.